Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this candy stripe beginner bracelet. So there are two ways you can make this bracelet. If you want it to go from left to right, then you need to do forward knots, but if you want it to go from right to left, then you need to do backward knots. For this tutorial, I'm going to be doing forward knots, but if you're doing backward knots, then whenever I say a forward knot, you do a backward knot. So to start off, you need to do an overhand knot for the loop, and then a starting in the diagonal line you're going with. So I'm doing mine from left to right. When I did my diagonal line, I started from the left and went to the right. So when I do my diagonal stripe, I go from here to there. And I also position my strings with two strings of the same colour and then kept going through the strings. You can do one colour if you like, or you can do two like me. It just means when you do your stripes, they'll be thicker or thinner. And if you want to know how I did this diagonal start, then I will leave the link in the description box below for you to check out. So now to actually start knotting, I'm going to separate the first two strings, and between them you are doing a forward knot. With the string that you knotted on, put it off to the side and grab the next string. So this next string is my light purple string, so I'm just going to do a forward knot with this dark purple onto that light purple string. And then with that string that I knotted onto, I'm just going to put it to the side too. And then grab your next string with my second light purple string, and with the dark purple string I'm going to do a forward knot onto this string. And then with the string that you knotted on, you're going to put it to the side with these other strings, and you're just going to keep on doing forward knots onto each of these individual strings. So I'm just going to do that now. And now I've gone through all of those strings here. That is all for this bracelet. It's just that same stripe of your string from the top to the bottom, and then you just keep on repeating that until you're finished. Then once it's done, you end it in the diagonal stripe like this, and then you're done your bracelet. So this pattern is one of the easiest patterns to make for a beginner, and it's most people's first bracelet they make. So if you haven't made a bracelet yet, then you should probably use this tutorial to make it. So this bracelet is going to be on my Etsy, so very soon it will be up there if you would like to buy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next week, happy crafting!